this lesson, you will learn about Craft Express Elite Pro Mug and Tumbler Press. A tumbler press is another heat source used mainly for sublimation. It is a press design with a heating barrel, also known as a heating element, that is commonly used for drinkware, including mugs, tumblers, and glass products that are coated in polyurethane for sublimation. The most common tumbler presses fit drinkware from 11-ounce up to 30-ounce mugs and tumblers. Additional attachments can be bought to sublimate onto 40-ounce tumblers and more. By the end of this lesson, you will create your first tumbler. Let's review the materials we will need to get started. For this project, we will be using the Elite Pro Mug and Tumbler Press, a 20-ounce stainless steel tumbler, a measuring tape and a ruler, heat-resistant glove, thermal tape and tape dispenser, and a lint roller. Next, we will measure the 20-ounce skinny tumbler. First, remove the lid, and using the measuring tape, place it around your tumbler. Hook it and press the button. This measurement indicates the width of our template. Next, remove it, and using the ruler, we're going to measure the height. This will give us the height of our template. Now that we have our measurements, we're ready to design. Let's move on to Canva. Using Canva, we're going to create a template. Go over to the right-hand side and select Customize Size. Change the sizing to inches and input the width of 9.32 inches and the height of 8.0. Click on Create New Design. Now you can upload designs to your canvas or use elements and select the designs available through Canva. For this lesson, we're going to be using the images available in Elements. Click Elements and then search Groovy Retro Background. I'm choosing a flower background. Place it in the corner and stretch it out to fill the entire template. Now we're going to look for a phrase that matches the background. Going back to Elements, I'm going to type flower quotes. Press Enter and select See All. I'm choosing the second phrase available. To adjust the size, select the corner of the image and drag it out to make it bigger. Then drag the image to center. Now we're ready to save and print. Title your design. Then click Shared, select Download, and change file type to PDF for print. Select Flat PDF and save download settings, then click Download. Once the image has been downloaded, we're ready to print it. Open up the print folder where you have saved it and open up the file as well as the print manager you will be using. In this case, I'm using PrintMate. I'm going to drag my file into PrintMate. Ensure that the sizing is correct, that mirror is switched on, and you can select the product type. In this case, I'm selecting Tumbler. Make sure it is at the highest print quality. Then we're going over to Color Management and selecting Vibrant. Now we're ready to hit Print. We're ready to adjust the pressure of our press. Place your tumbler inside your press and with the nubs at the back, adjust the pressure. This means how much you open and close the barrel in order to create some pressure to sublimate our tumbler. Once you have adjusted the pressure, we're going to turn on our press by pressing the green button at the right-hand side. Hit Set to adjust the temperature first. Using the arrows, we're going to set the temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Hit Set one more time to save the settings. Next, adjust the time. We're setting our time to 60 seconds. Again, use the arrows to set the time. Hit Set to save the settings. We're ready to move on to the next step. Using the paper trimmer, I'm going to trim around my design, removing all the white extra pieces of paper. Using a lint roller, clean your tumbler. Make sure there is no debris left on it. Then, take your template and wrap it around your tumbler. Wrap it around tightly and secure it with heat-resistant tape. I like to start with a tape down the middle, then work myself up and down, adhering the tape, overlapping it one over the other. Next, we will press it. Slide your tumbler inside your press and close it. After the 60 seconds are up, rotate your tumbler and close it one more time. When the 60 seconds are up, our tumbler is ready. Remove the wrap using the tape down the middle. Look how beautiful and vibrant these colors turned out. Congratulations on completing your very first tumbler using the Elite Pro mug and tumbler press. Go on to the next video to learn more about the various presses available for sublimation.